Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to open the bonnet in your Jaguar XF, step by step. First, you'll need to find the primary bonnet release lever. This is usually located inside the cabin, on the driver's side, often down by the footwell or kick panel. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a click as the first latch disengages. This action partially releases the bonnet, preparing it for the next step. Now, move to the front of your Jaguar XF. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach into this gap, feeling along the underside of the bonnet's leading edge. You are looking for a secondary safety latch. This small lever or catch is typically located near the center or slightly to one side, designed to prevent accidental opening. Once you've located the secondary latch, you'll need to either push it or pull it, depending on your specific Jaguar XF model. This action will completely release the bonnet. With both latches disengaged, you can now gently lift the bonnet upwards. It should open smoothly, revealing the engine bay. Be mindful of any resistance as you lift. To keep the bonnet safely open, locate the support rod. This rod is typically found clipped into place within the engine bay, often on the left or right side. Unclip it and firmly insert its end into the designated slot or hole on the underside of the bonnet. Make sure it's securely seated. This ensures the bonnet remains stable while you perform any necessary checks or maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.